In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a destination in Streamyard. If you've connected a social channel that you no longer use, or you simply need to tidy up your list, removing a destination is quick and safe when you know exactly where to click and what each option means. Start by heading to the Streamyard homepage and log into your account. Make sure you're on the correct workspace if you manage more than one, so you don't edit the wrong setup. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Destinations. This is where all of your connected platforms live, places like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, or custom RTMP connections. Scan the list and find the destination you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check you've selected the right one, especially if you have multiple channels from the same platform connected. When you've identified the correct destination, hover over it and click the three dots, sometimes called the ellipsis, to open the Actions menu. Choose Remove from the menu. Streamyard will open a confirmation pop-up so you can review your choice before anything is finalized. This is your chance to make sure you're not disconnecting a channel you still need for upcoming streams. In the pop-up, you'll see an option that says Delete Upcoming Broadcasts. Leave this unchecked unless you truly want to delete every scheduled stream that's tied to this destination. If you do not check it, your scheduled broadcasts will remain in your account, but they won't be connected to this destination anymore. You can decide later how to handle those events, such as reassigning them to a different destination or updating their settings. Only check that box if you're absolutely certain you want to clear out those scheduled items as well. When you're confident in your choice, click Remove Destination to finish. Streamyard will process the change and take that destination off your list. That's all there is to it. The channel is now disconnected from Streamyard, and you won't be able to multi-stream or schedule to it unless you add it back again in the future. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Removing a destination in Streamyard does not delete the social account itself. It simply unlinks it from Streamyard. If you ever need the same channel again, you can reconnect it later. And if you collaborate with a team, consider letting them know you've removed a destination so there are no surprises when they set up their next broadcast. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.